Hi, how would you like to see how your CAD digital patterns actually look like on a real body without you sewing it? Today I'm going to be introducing you to virtual try-ons. There are quite a lot of videos online that talks about virtual try-ons, but its real life application is something I've not really seen in YouTube, and that's exactly what this video is all about. And now, if you're out there and you've been hearing of virtual try-ons, but you really do not know how to use it, to improve your fashion business, especially if you're a simple home sewer, how can you use virtual try-ons? What exactly, really, are virtual try-ons? Hi, my name is Enorita James, and in my channel, I take you by the hand and I show you how to transit from manual pattern drafting to digital pattern drafting or CAD pattern drafting. And I actually show you how you can convert your digital skills to revenue. If that is what interests you, then stay tuned and let us dissect exactly what virtual try-ons are and how you can implement it in your fashion business. This is video one of a series of 5 videos that I'm going to be talking about virtual try-ons. So if that is what is interests you and you want to see how you can step up your fashion business, then stay tuned for this video. Ever wondered how you can change your CAD pattern drafting skill to revenue? You do not need to be a professional. Just start with an idea or a picture. This course will actually show you step by step how to turn your sketches or pictures into digital CAD patterns that you can sell on a digital website and begin to generate revenue. If that interests you, then click the link below and start your journey on earning with your digital skills. So I believe that if you create a pattern, it doesn't matter whether it is a manual pattern or a CAD pattern. It is most times more attractive to see how this pattern will actually look like real life. And that is where virtual try-ons come in. Because you never truly know how it will look when your pattern is actually worn. That is where the gap exists between your imagination and the reality of actually, showing off your pattern or your CAD pattern that you have drafted. You find out that things like fit issues, when it comes to styles, it only shows up once the garment is finished. And again, people have different body types, you know. So if you have a flat sketch or you have a CAD pattern of a particular style, you would like to know how it will actually look on different body types. And again, you would like to know if your customers actually like this pattern. So the advent of AI virtual try-on is actually a technology that places your clothing design. It doesn't matter, as I said, whether it is a manual design, whether it is a CAD drafted pattern. It actually places your pattern into a realistic digital human body that has real shape, real movement, real proportions, without you having to sew, without you having to guess. Just a simple visual clarity of what your pattern will look like. So if the word virtual try-on is new to you, then welcome to this video. Because AI virtual try-on is actually a digital technology that it drapes your clothing design into a human body. It doesn't just remain as a flat sketch. It is not a static mannequin, but it is a realistic figure with a human proportion. All you have to do on AI virtual try-ons is just upload your design. It could be your pattern, it could be a sketch, it could even be a digital garment file. And then you choose a body. You can select different body types. You can even select your own picture to see how this will look on you. And then you can see the result instantly. So why is this exactly a game changer for pattern drafting? Because most of the videos on YouTube, they talk about how you can use virtual try-ons on e-commerce stores, e-commerce stores that sell female clothing or they sell male clothing or even children's clothing. But what if you just want to sell patterns? How is this a game changer for pattern drafters? Now, if you've already learned CAD tools like Simly 2D, incidentally, I have a whole playlist of over 30 videos that shows you how to use a completely free tool like Simly 2D to generate your digital patterns. But AI Virtual Try-On actually takes your workflow to a whole new level. First, you draft your patterns, and then you convert them digitally, convert them to CAD patterns, and then you try these patterns virtually. That means you're not just only creating patterns, you're creating a complete visual experience, all without touching a sewing machine. That means you don't need to sew to people to see and how your pattern will look like on the human form. That is the excitement of this AI virtual try-on. Because you discover that if somebody can visualize your patterns and see how it looks in their body, I mean, you're going to have a very fast ROI, return on investment, you know, especially the real reason you're learning CAD pattern drafting is actually to monetize it, is to generate revenue and sell them as digital products. So imagine selling your designs online, not as flat drawings, but with your garment actually shown on different body types. When buyers see exactly what they are getting, you're going to generate more trust. You're going to have more engagement. You're actually going to have realistic visuals that makes people stop and just want to get that CAD pattern, you know. And of course, confidence drives purchasing decisions. A lot of people want to buy because they actually see what your pattern will look like in real life. So AI actually enhances your workflow. It doesn't replace you, it doesn't replace your talent, but it enhances your workflow. It actually helps you in terms of selling your patterns. But your knowledge of pattern drafting, your knowledge of measurements, garment structures is actually a big advantage for you. AI doesn't replace that expertise. It actually helps you to get your return on the time you've invested to do this, you know? So just think of AI virtual try-on as your fastest, most patient fitting model that is available 247 for you at zero cost to your fabric budget at zero cost. Designers that combine traditional skills with AI tools are the ones that are actually leading the next generation of fashion. Everything is going AI now, and including fashion. So if you're still in the old school of selling your digital CAD drafted patterns as just sketches or patterns or flat, sketches, it will not do the work anymore. That is why in this video I'm actually talking about this, you know. The next question might be, is this hard to use? In my channel, I try to make things very simple, especially for the simple home sewer or for the simple tailor on the side that actually wants to know how to advance his business, how to, join this AI world of doing things. So you find out that many of today's AI virtual try-on tools, they are designed with beginners in mind. And several are completely free to start, and most of them the trial version is actually enough for you to see whether it is something that you can work with. Most of them are beginner friendly because most times you don't really need any coding or technical background. If you can use things like Canva, if you can use things like Google Slides, you'll be able to use virtual try-ons. And I said, many of them are free. And the thing I love about it is that you get instant results because you just upload your design, you select a model, and then you see your garment visualized in seconds. It's not days, it's just immediately. You'll see your garments visualized. So, what is now your path from pattern to AI powered fashion? First, of course, you need to learn pattern drafting. You cannot sell digital patterns if you don't know how to draft the patterns. Master the foundation of CAD tools, especially when there's free tools like Similitude, which, as I said, I have a whole playlist where you can actually learn it if you're really interested in turning this into a real business. If you're really interested in monetizing it and selling your patterns as digital products. So once you've learned it, you can now create your digital garments, you know, and then you can visualize your work on real bodies instantly. You can share and sell with confidence. You can even, some of these virtual try-ons are things that you can even embed in your e-commerce store where you're going to be using to sell your products. Of course, you need an e-commerce store to be able to sell your digital products. Now that you have an idea of what virtual try-ons are, don't miss the next video. As I said, this is going to be a series of 5 videos. This is the first one. Don't miss the next video where I'm going to be actually listing out virtual try-on softwares that are affordable, that are user-friendly, and that a common home sewer or a traditional tailor can actually use. So if you're ready to move your business to the next level without too much stress, then stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to actually list out some very easy to use virtual try-on softwares. Thank you so much for watching this one. It's a short video. I hope you gained one or two things from it. Stay tuned for my next video.